I got a quick unboxing of the Maschinen Krieger. This is the Snake Eye edition, 1/16 scale, sorry, Series 1, Super Armored Fighting Suit, Space Type 2. So this is brand new in box. Quickly cut the tabs. I wanted one of these for a while. I've seen them go on eBay for a lot more than I paid for this. I think I paid £60 for this posted, which is like a really good deal. So this is roughly about 6 inches tall. I have no idea how the articulation one works on these, so you have to bear with me. Seen that these slide forward. God, it's quite heavy. You've got articulated exhausts. I know that the front, falls forward. There we go. And the arms out on the side so the figure can come out. You can see the figure in there. There's the top of a cab. Don't know how that attaches, it might just balance on. We've also got hands. I think they're additional hands. Yeah, they've got closed hand on the actual figure, and I'm assuming they just pop off. Yeah, I don't want to risk that. But yeah, they're ball jointed. Sorry. Yeah. It's not focusing. Yeah, ball jointed, so obviously they just pop in there when you want to change the hands. And also in here there are, I don't know what these are. They're delicate. I'm not going to open them just in case I lose. I don't even know where it is. I have no idea what that is. Maybe a little replacement shoulder or something. I don't know. But yeah, basically, here it is again. I'll put some photos of it in the light box so you can see a better with obviously better detail, better lighting. But yeah, this is the unboxing of the Snake Eye Maschinen Krieger.